I just learned that paralegals can receive ABA CLE credit certificates from the ABA if they attended attorney CLE sessions, and hopefully I'll try to show you how that happens. Hello everyone, my name is Fatima Mahmood. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This video reflects my own views and opinions, no one else's, and it's not been pre-approved or endorsed by any federal agency or other employer, academic program, or membership association. Did this conference near Washington, D.C. in October 2023. It was mostly for lawyers, but I often attend attorney conferences as a paralegal. They had a paper sign-in sheet where people signed in and signed out for the different sessions that were offering CLEs. And then at the end of the conference afterwards, all the attorneys received electronically a way to validate their attendance as well. And I learned that I could also have my email address included in that validation. So I'll show you how that works. I was emailing with one of the conference board members, the person who's in charge of coordinating CLEs, etc. And I told her that I, as a paralegal, have an external paralegal credentialing organization and I'm accredited through them. And I told her I can receive credits for CLEs that attorneys attend, that I attend with them. And she gave her my email address and she put me into their system. And this is the email that I got back. Go to the bottom. So the conference is hosted by the National Association of Muslim Lawyers, and obviously they collaborate with the ABA CLE committee to grant the CLEs, etc. And so they have this joint email address that they were working off of. Normally I don't read off emails, but in this video I will. This seems like a one-stop shop for validating your attendance in addition to the paper sign and sign out sheets. It's a live in-person program, multi-days, and they have a link for instructions, and they have a link to actually do your own CLE validation. And you're going to get one certificate for the entire live virtual conference or webinar, including all sessions. On the instruction button link, and it took me to this ABA page. I'll put the link to this page in the description below. It takes you through step by step how to fill out the affidavit in the form. It gives you screenshots, but what's relevant to paralegals is down here it tells you instructions for where and how the paralegals enter their information and their jurisdiction. Also, if you are a person who is a paralegal but you're not accredited and you just want proof documentation that you did attend this attorney conference, you can complete this general certification portion. It's also for non-US folks who are not part of the ABA as well. This whole page is available for more instructions, more detail, and it's very detailed and goes step by step all the way through the end. Clicked on the fill out your certificate link and it took me to a specialized link just for me. It has the name of the conference, the date, here's my contact information, and then I have to pick up or select these checkboxes down here, like example for paralegal. So I'll let you know how this goes. So when you click on each day, if it's a multi-day event, it'll show you the title of the session, and for your role, you could be attendee or faculty. If you're part of the full session or partial session, you can put that in as well. I selected all my sessions. Now I clicked on paralegal to add my paralegal jurisdiction, and let's see if it's all by state so far. It doesn't have my particular association in there. So I'll select my state, which is that. Hit save. I messed up, and you can add your email back in. That's the only notification. I'm not notifying anyone else. And you attest to your attendance, and then you hit next. And this gives you a summary of all the ones that I selected. You get to do that and hit submit affidavit. And then last screen, it gives you a total of 7.5 credits. Status I'm not MCLE. Ethics is 1, general is 6.5, and I can download the certificate. So this is great. It's all automated and the certificates are generated. All you have to do is click one button and you'll get them. So this is what the certificate looks like once you've downloaded it. Note that these are text modifiable fields. You can change what's in here. If you're sending this to someone, I might encourage you to print to PDF so that none of these can be easily changeable. Of course, if someone has the Adobe Pro, the extra features in Adobe, they can always change a PDF even if it's printed to PDF. But just if you have regular Adobe Acrobat, you can take something like this with these fields and you can print to PDF so it looks more solid. It looks like it can't be modified, these fields. So it just gives you the logo of the organization that's doing the conference. It gives you the title, certificate of completion, your information about the accreditation. It breaks down for you how many hours were ethics, how many hours were general. They have signatures and everything. They give you the email address for who to contact. This is the box for state-specific information. It's not relevant to me as a paralegal, but it can be relevant to other specific types of paralegals who are state credentialed. And for the actual CLEs, what they do is they do it in chart form. It's not one certificate per session that you attend. It's in chart form, and they've obviously signed off on this. And again, your tally is on an earlier page here. So this is really helpful as a paralegal if you want to have documentation for your credentialing. And again, as an attorney, this is a version of what you would get as well. Around the same time that you're able to download your CLE certificate from the same website, you also get an email stating that your CLE certificate is ready and is attached. It's attached to an email that goes directly to you, and it gives you a little chart of your total hours earned. So you can download immediately, and you also get this email for your records. I hope this video has helped folks out who are attorneys as well as paralegals, and for paralegals to know that there is an automated way for them to get CLE credit for attorney CLE sessions, just so long as the session or conference organizers remember to include the paralegal email list in their logistics. Thank you for watching my video. I'd love to hear from you on email at fmahmood@wellesley.edu. You can also find me on LinkedIn at that address. And if you do send me a connection request, please go ahead and send me a note. Before you go, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And please go ahead and watch my next video. Thank you.